Forget the background. Let's not talk about it. But Bitcoin is actually above this little fake ass trend line I got going on, which is kind of crazy. 68k is actual insanity. It's still flying. And I showed you some opportunities in the market yesterday. I think Kaspa is also, after what I told you yesterday, yeah, look, it's testing resistance. Hopefully it comes back down, so it gives me another opportunity. Because if it goes down, comes back down to minus 40 strength, that could be another opportunity. I'm thinking about that. I want that. I'm not all in. I want to be more all in Casper, but I'm still wary that Bitcoin can go down to 40k at any moment in time with a quick crash or black swan event. It's quite difficult market conditions at the moment. We're also in October, so we'll see what's going on there. Casper's my best bet so far, I'm not gonna lie. I do like the way it's looking. I do like the way it's looking right now. If we have a little look at KRC-20 tokens today, which is the blockchain that I am most bullish on after certain meme coins, depending on Brett. I know that'll do well. Bull will do well. Things of that nature. Nacho's up. Conan is actually up a lot. 108%. 9 million market cap. Wow. It's actually going to. Why is it above Casper? The Ghost? Some of these are flying, 1 million. Ooh, there's a lot of money to be made here. It's risky though. You have to put it onto that other wallet, which is what I don't like. If we have, I was looking at Casper. This is just going up. All of these are just going up. It's very early. Nacho's actually consolidating finally again. Might be a decent time to have a little look at that. Resistance Dog is also a buy zone in my opinion. I can't believe the price is as low as it is. I've only seen Resistance Dog at major high prices. I don't know what the heck is going on with this. But it wants to be low. It wants to give you guys an opportunity. It wants to give me another opportunity as well. I've got a little bit, but I'm slowly putting my money in. So I think I've put a sixth in at a decent price. And if we have a little look all the way over to Twitter today, we're going to start with the tweets, see what is going on in the bookmark section. Because there's a lot of information. I feel like Twitter is the best place for information. The amount of information that I've gained from this is crazy. Earning season is back, highlighted the ones I'm watching this week. Earning season. Is Volkswagen on this? I was really looking at Volkswagen. Colgate. All that garbage. It's very soon. For the man who likes the stocks. Currently I'm liking crypto. I like how decentralized it is. I can't actually move my stocks to an exchange if I could. And I could own them businesses personally rather than letting somebody else own them for me. I would enjoy that, but that's not how stocks work, unfortunately. So this guy, the top will be lower than most expect, just as the bottom was higher. The only certainty is when I call the top, the majority will disagree, just as the majority did when I called the last top at 64k and the last bottom at 16.5. That's not my top prediction. My prediction is 96 to 153k. The mid 80s is the target from the channel. That's not too bad. 96 to 153k I can deal with. That's still a major bull run. The Wyckoff we are going through on crypto is redefined as reaccumulation. Here's the theoretical schematic. So they think it's reaccumulating just like this, and then it's going to fly. F all the bears who said October is not real. October is looking very real at the moment, I'm not going to lie. You ready for what's coming next? Look at this photo. Holy. It is going to be diminishing returns, but it's still going to go up. And we are currently in accumulation or the buy zone. We're not at fire sale levels. We're close to it, but we're not at fire sale levels. Bitcoin will pump so hard if Trump wins, but if Kamala wins, we may be screwed. I don't think we'll be screwed. I think Bitcoin will go up either way. However, the returns will be less, for sure. Only 16's left before the US elections. You know what happens after the US elections. Watching Bitcoin unfazed by the FTSE sweat right in my zone. 108k imminent. I'm a billionaire already, they just don't know it yet. Whales are buying BTC aggressively. I'm not going to open that because I don't have my mouse. 270 downtrend. It's broken. Remember that. Top 13 Bitcoin holders. Huge ETF inflows. BlackRock and IBIT. Wall Street now owns 8.5% of the supply. Wow. You know what this means, right? Bull market. Laffy's still holding his position of it going down, and this is what I'm scared of. This is why I'm not accumulating at major levels. This is why I'm not accumulating like crazy. It's a bit stupid. I'm going to do it over a time period because then I'll still make money. But you don't want to accumulate too quick. That's a mistake. You'd rather accumulate slower, because then whilst it's going up, you can still be accumulating and you're making money on everything that was low, so you'll win. If you accumulate too quick and it goes lower, that could be dangerous. It needs to be spread out evenly. Liquidation heat map on Binance. 15 billion of shorts liquidated at 70k. Everyone is expecting that though. But I think there's a lot of liquidation there. But there's also loads at 35k as well. All the way down here. Crypto dominance dashboard. October 20th. 58%, 14% Ethereum. 3% BNB, 3% Solana. ETH breaking out. Are we trusting the Sunday pump? 90% chance the Fed will cut rates by 25 basis points next meeting. This is the target rate probability for the 7th of November. That's in about 20 days. Bitcoin to 290k would be nice. Struggling to flip 68,400. It needs to move up to invalidate higher low possibility. Alt struggling on the other hand. When BTC went to 59k they dropped. BTC went to 69, also looked at the move from the sideline. When BTC retraces, basically he's a little bit bearish. Believe in something. Believe in something after researching. That's the most important thing. You survived the longest bear market in Bitcoin history. Grueling, man. So many fallen quackers on that little 50% dip quacked out for good. Wow. This is the meme coin, you know, that Luke Belmar's pumping. Dolan. I fully feel like it's going to correct properly. Like, I don't believe that's an accumulation range. I could be wrong. It's bottomed out on the RSI. However, what's it at? 61 million market cap. I need to see more of a major correction, but that could still fly. I just think there's better opportunities right now. I'm not chasing that deadbeat pump. Only ETA chart you need. Study this chart. What's he thinking? We're going higher. Holy 10k. Is that what he's thinking? Would be hella nice. Bitcoin is about to crash big time. What to 210k? I've been talking about crypto too much every morning. I get to the gym and now asks me, when's crypto gonna pump? You said it's gonna pump. The pressure is on. The pressure is on. You'll handle that pressure. How I get ready to buy the Dolan dip. This guy's pumping it hard as well, man. Everyone's pumping it, man. The key to wealth this cycle is to buy top memes and hold. Simple but not easy. You will be tempted to trade. You will be tempted to sell and re-enter on a dip. You will be tempted to sell too early. Buy, hold and wait. I don't agree with this whatsoever. You could be holding a dud. You could be holding the worst meme coin ever. I just don't believe you should be in the market unless you know exactly what you're doing, or you will get smoked. I've seen it firsthand. It's happened to me. And if you're new in this space, play versus play, you're going to get wrecked. You need a team of killers. When the top is coming, there will be signs. Pump Fun hosts first World Championship trading competition. Sponsored by Twitch. This bull market is pre-planned. The last time Bitcoin signal flashed, we pumped 171%. 16 days until the election. The bull market will start. Less than 10% from all-time highs. Entered a new accumulation phase. 250k BTC has already been moved to permanent hold as addresses. Whales are buying. How do you more efforts even find these memes so early? Like every time I hear about something new, it's already 100 mil. Bro, the game's changed. People are so quick. It's crazy. Even more bullish news. Just debuted amongst the top 100 on crypto bubbles. We're now floating among the top projects, and Ghost is getting noticed. This is just the start. More eyes, more momentum, more growth. Kaspa the Ghost. I'll show you this one right here. Kaspa the Ghost on Kaspa chain. I showed you it before, you know, on this one right here. Yeah, I'm looking at this one, it looks insane. Kaspa just in general, man. What's your risk tolerance, crypto holders? This guy's an actual idiot though. Like, why would you risk that? What if that broke? That's crazy. What women think men want, what men really want. Fact. Which meme coin could do this soon. A lot of them are gonna pump, but a lot of them won't sustain the pump. They won't be long standing. Some of them will, but you want the best ones. That's what you need to pick, the best. My dad bets on horses, I bet on meme coins. Losing money runs in the family. A lot of BTC's been bought off exchanges in ways that don't instantly impact the price. At some point there just won't be any left, and then boom, it's gonna fly just like that. October. Bull will do well from here, dropping pick and 79 million market cap is a receipt. It is consolidating nicely, you know. I was thinking about buying Bull, but I don't know how to buy meme coins on the Tron blockchain. That's something I need to figure out. It's already pumping. Maybe we'll get one last chance at a dip. Hopefully. I won't mind buying that. Bitcoin is hovering around the CME gap. Fact. Bitcoin, the weekly close above 68,575 is coming sooner than you think. Bitcoin ETFs are massively outperforming the first year of gold ETFs. It's bullish. Kaspa, yeah, look, everything's pumping, man. Kaspa is pumping, man. Second most popular token on CoinEx as soon as it got the exchange listing. It's mental. We all buy the same meme coin and never sell. We'd be rich, guys. Think about it. Big accounts don't talk about Cas enough because they didn't get in early and they aren't paid. Anyone see 10 cents Cas? Meme coins on my damn mind, man. Facts, man. Facts. Imagine, look at the room for upside. It's crazy. This is the perfect time in the bull market. But the one last thing I will mention before I actually let you guys go is the most important, and that is, in the example, you see how you thought the coin would reach 10 million but it didn't. Close but didn't meet expectation. Unlike most of you, I'm realistic and set targets low. When I say Brett to 10-20 billion is the absolute worst case, potential of 50 to 150 billion, the answer to your question would be yes. If I screamed and shouted that 100 billion was our worst case or the target, I don't. Price targets aren't really your targets and you'll sell your tokens a lot sooner. Basically, if you look at what he's saying, have you ever been holding a meme coin before and said once it hits 10 million I'll take profit, and it pumps to 8 and it never hits 10, and you round trip everything and lose your money? Don't let that be you. Listening to other people's price targets and waiting for certain prices to be hit. You need to be smarter. It's player versus player, or you're going to get effed by everyone and yourself in this space where if you care about reputation and credibility, you will be fed with hope and ridiculous targets as long as you believe it, and you will blame others and be angry if their expectations are not met. What are your expectations? Focus on that instead of others, because a lot of these coins are going to zero, man. The devs are gonna rug you. You're gonna get done dirty, and you need to be careful. The most important things: have passwords, make sure your wallets are secure, don't transact large amounts of money to a certain wallet without testing it, and don't trust and listen to nobody. Once you put your money on exchanges, that exchange can jack your money. Once you put your money on a cold wallet, that's completely your responsibility. The bank have some sort of responsibility over your money because it's secure. But once you step into this crypto game, that money's there to be taken. Because even if your account becomes inactive, I swear someone takes your money. Someone's taking your money. It's not just staying there. Someone knows you're dead and they're going to take that door happily. Remember that. Player versus damn player.